Same bowl, days later, and here you see it never solidifies. Gel does not solidify, but grease will. We put it in, we used it for a seasoning. Look here. Take the grease away. And there you see. The stringy slime. There we go. So when Winn-Dixie, or way back then, when they had 100% ground beef on it, you did not have this. Nothing's been added. This bowl has sat inside for several days. There you go, the pink, there's that slimy stuff. There we go. Let's get some fresh here. There you go, see it oozing out right there? Stick. Alright, here we go, let's get a little stick here. There we go. Nothing's been added. Hadn't touched it other than scraping the grease to the side to see if this stuff ever solidifies. And it doesn't, right here. It does not solidify like grease. That's not grease. Sorry. Have a nice day.